true that we're teenage fools, training 5 days a week for work and school, just to sneak around on weekends walking for the cops, and waltz in abandoned parking lots, and call these cracks in the system a revolution. But to the vanguard party that's criticizing what have you been up to since the Soviet Union? When you're not starving, life is just the mechanics of eating. Talking to you is raw eternity, but what is in these days? And if our only gift is this dark black void, well, to me that's okay. Cause our nihilism is the terrorist wing of useful apathy. Burn everything down just to drink in the ruins of what used to be an American city. So if it's all the same, then I'll pass out tonight, still hating punk rock, but in love with you and the kitchen floor that you let me sleep on. There's whiskey in my bottle, and you know there's enough for you. I'll join you in the graveyard digging if there's room enough for two, where there's no risk in death. Life is just the logistics of breath. Tomorrow I'll wake up in a ditch with every friend that's ever meant anything, on the opposite side of the country. But I still wouldn't trade anything for the night when the rain promised us at 2 a.m. It's a burnout industrial shell of a town that we never see dry again. And I'll keep walking and running and drinking towards the day that I can